My name is Justen McNeal. I'm an autobody technician, have been for 17 years. We are the unsung heroes during the coronavirus because we keep a lot of businesses on the road so they can still do their jobs. At the same time, they keep us afloat so we can do our jobs. We do mail truck companies, we do a lot of local small businesses around the area, and Miami Township police cruisers. I think our biggest problem right now is since a lot of these factory workers are getting laid off of work, we're having trouble getting parts. Parts supply is going to be our biggest issue about dealing with this virus and about getting these vehicles completed on a timely manner. We try to wipe everything down as a vehicle comes in, and we let it sit for a day or so to hopefully let whatever virus or bacteria is on the vehicle kind of die off. You know, between the Clorox wipes and let the thing sit overnight, hopefully it should be dead by then, is what we're trying to figure, because they say 3 or 4 hours on metal and a couple hours on plastic, so if you let the thing sit for 24 hours on top of the Clorox wiping, it should be gone. So that's how we're helping to not spread it or get it ourselves and then put it on somebody else's vehicle and send them home with it.